Hello, this is John Toll Jones from Titan Shipyards. In the last videos, I introduced the ship, der Goldbears ADANUS, and I showed you how to prepare the ship for printing. Today, I want to focus about the smaller things, in particular the turrets. So let's hop just right into the build mode. You can select the turret base, press Shift T, and then select the base. Can, for example, deselect this one, select the base, transform it to the barrel, the red one, also the body, also to the barrel, and this way you can select the whole turret, which you then basically select, copy, and just paste somewhere. Then you leave the turret build mode, select the turret. The little ones are called Phoenix, and the bigger ones are called Helix. I put a link down in the description below, and this way you can select, for example, mirror. Let me just check here. Select one thing. Select middle, and then you can place them as massive object on the base, which is necessary for the model conversion. Or you can simply then just rotate them by pressing R and also select them. Of course, this is the wrong model, but this is the way how you can place yourself the turrets on the model, which will save me the effort and therefore you the money to place them yourself. Turrets which are placed on the ship model can be smaller and have more detail to print in general, because you need less supports and you don't have to move them around a lot. This is also a way of having more detailed turrets. If you want to print the turrets by themselves, you just have to send me the link from the workshop. And then I can convert them and do extra stuff with that. Always consider that turrets are far smaller than the ship, and you should always consider the print limits, which I indicated in the last videos is about 0.35 blocks in AVORION. So you might have to rework your designs in order that they are printable. Okay, for the ADANUS, as I mentioned previously, we will go down the way to make movable turrets, but in general I would recommend to do it this way, because from my perspective the front looking turrets look orderly and also are better printable, because you always have to print the barrel, or the barrel should look in the direction of the print. So if I print the ship from the back to the front, in order to not use for the small parts supports, which then can lead to breakage of the barrels, I have to start from the back and then print to the front to make them work. Okay, that was today how you can place models for printing on your ship yourself or just export them. It's also a nice way to build turrets when you just build them like a ship and then transforming them later on into the turret mode, because the build mode has more options than the turret build mode. For example, dimensions are not displayed very good in the turret build mode. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.